Hi guys, Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Wednesday morning, May 30th, 2012 daily stock report. Here's the Dow 30 up 1%, making some higher highs today. I think this sets us up for 2 or 3 more up days. We might start getting some momentum. I think the market is getting used to this European news for a while. We've had a string of really negative news out of Europe, so we're getting a little saturated with that news, and I think we've digested enough to be a little immune to future news. I think we've got another week of clear sailing, possibly, and you never know what kind of news we get out of that. But my guess is that the market's getting used to it, and we're probably focusing on some buying here. That peak fear, the point of extreme despair in the market, is when you want to be buying, and that was last week. So I'd be looking for 2-3 more up days in these indexes. Let's take a look at some other charts. Nasdaq Composite up 1.1%. S&P 500 up 1.1%, looking good. I think we're going to continue moving up here. And just remember, this is only a rebound within a downtrend. I'm not expecting a sharp, long, extended period of a move up. Russell 2000 up 1.4%. And you can see these short-term indicators on all these charts here are starting to turn up. The MACD histogram, the MACD signal lines, the stochastics, moving averages are starting to turn up. Here's the percentage of stocks above the 40-day moving average. T2108 went up 15.5% today, and you guys know this dropped way down to 16% or so about a week ago. So there's that peak point of extreme fear. And the volatility index is starting to come down. Let's take a wider look at that. Peaked out at 24 or 70, I think, and we're at 21. So we could see 19 here in the next few days. I'd like to go over these ETFs that are leveraged. On the long side, here's the S&P 500 on a 2-to-1, up 2.46% today. I think we've got more upside, probably 54 and a quarter, somewhere in there. Here's the Dow 30 2-to-1 ETF, up 2.2%. I still think we got 2 or 3 up days on these stocks and these ETFs. Here's a 2-to-1 Russell 2000 up 3% today. Here's a 2-to-1 leveraged ETF for financial stocks up 2.6%. Here's a small cap 3-to-1, very leveraged, high risk TNA. It's a small cap bull, which means we want it to go up, and it has holdings of stocks on the long side. A few other stocks. Here's Total Systems up almost 0.9%, close to an all-time high on this. So we're holding this, and I thought this could have had a chance to catapult up like this. So let's hold for now. Let's take a look at the 2 healthcare stocks. WellPoint up 1.4%, more upside on this one. Humana's weak relative to the other healthcare stocks, but still slowly pointing up. MAC up 1.6%. IRF up 1.6%. Talisman up 3.4%. I don't think it's going to continue to be this strong for a period of days, but watch this next 2 or 3 days. It could peak out any time. LVS is starting to turn up, and don't get suckered into thinking all these stocks are going to keep moving up. We're only looking for a few days at this point. So you guys take care, put the odds in your favor, wait for the good ones. Thanks for being patient here, and keep paying attention. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.